You know, coming from people that I know that aren't saying like, yo, I'm skeptical or whatever, it kind of started to make sense. It's like, oh, okay, it's just a different language here. So doubt is commonly used as a direct translation for question or query, particularly common in Indian English, influenced by Hindi, where Shanka can mean both doubt and question. Interesting. So you got a Shanka, bro. So I got a Shanka. I got your Shanka answers, bro. Example, I have three doubts. I have three questions. I have three questions I'd like to clarify. This is a classic example of what linguists call false friends or language transfer, where a word exists in multiple cultures. The literal translation is the same, but the cultural, pragmatic meaning differs significantly. And I would say that's one of those words that differs significantly. If you're not Mr. Worldwide, Mr. Cultured like Moondev, you might get offended. It's similar to how British quite often means somewhat. Interesting. I didn't know that. So it means somewhat in British, quite. In American, it means very. Or how table a discussion means postpone the discussion in the US, bring the discussion forward. That's crazy. This is why international communication requires not just language translation, but cultural awareness. When someone says, I have doubts about your training, it's important to consider the cultural context. They might simply be asking for clarification rather than expressing skepticism. See, that's tough right there. This is a tough sentence because this could be all love, bro. I have doubts about your training. But if I read that as an American, I'd be like, what's your doubts, bro? What's wrong? I thought it was super fire, dude. I thought it was so good. Why you got doubts about it, dude? But coming from Indian American, it's like, yo, I just got three questions about your training. So just a little cultural language lesson there for the fam here today. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Okay, so how to automate your trading, the RBI. So researching is number one. Here's a few ideas. Okay, sweet. In Italian, we say "ho della gubi," meaning I have some doubts. Hmm. Italy. Italy, huh? Artel. You know, you're living that Italy life out there, dude. That's pretty far. So let's just go look around Google Scholar for a bit. Google Scholar here. Go through Google Scholar and you can just type into Google Scholar. There's a bunch of things. Now, I wanted to show you, you can see like trading strategy. Okay, let's start there. And optimal trading strategy with supply and demand dynamics. Let's see if we can open it up. Now, a lot of these papers are not public, pretty much. There's ways to get around that, I'm sure. But I'm going to open a bunch of these up. An autonomy of trading strategies. Evaluating trading strategies could be good. The evaluation and optimization of trading strategies, like these all, if you're brand new, the encyclopedia of trading strategies, yeah, of course. Arabic trader, high frequency trading strategies. So you can see that one just downloaded a PDF for me. High frequency trading strategies and on deep neural networks. The optimal trading strategies for an investor. Evaluations of pairs trading strategies. So you can see there's already multiple approaches to the market here.
We
You can
must keep
see
moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but by all means, keep moving.
You can see a bunch of related searches here. You can say, hey, do you want to trade futures? Futures trading strategy. That will go search that for you. Momentum trading strategy, algorithmic trading strategy. So let's go ahead and look through some of these. You can see this is a whole on paper here, dude. If you read this full paper, dude, there's zero chance you're not going to learn something. Okay, but what if you don't want to read it? At least do this. At least, bro. Please go through this paper and tell me any and all trading strategies that they discuss and how to implement them into a backtest using backtesting.py. Actually, I don't want to do that part. Give me the strategy details. Okay, sick. So while that's running, I can go here and, that's like a big paper here. And we can just go keep going through these. And there's literally like news-based trading strategies. This is a great way to kind of get onboarded into trading strategies here. So risk adjustment trading strategies, and you can just open all of these up and read, 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 read until you come across something that intrigues you. Because at the end of the day, you have to do something that's fun. If it's not fun, then you're not gonna do it for a long time. And this industry is hard. Statistical arbitrage pairs trading strategy, review and outlook. Let's look through some more of these papers here. News-based trading strategies. I can do the same thing here. You can just read it slowly, or you can do this. So it already sent me one back. Let's keep it pushing, dude. So we got two papers here. Here's another one, an autonomy of trading strategies. And this is such a great way to just get introduced to the market. I don't know if I can copy and paste this one, but you can read it. It'll take time, yes. Evaluation, optimization, trading strategies here. The evaluation and optimization of trading strategies. The encyclopedia of trading strategies. So this is a really good one, actually. Let's see if I can copy this one. There's 386 pages. Holy smokes, dude. Breakout models, moving averages, oscillator based, seasonality, lunar and solar rhythms, cycle based. Watch this. Let's go to our let's go here, dude. And let's say cursor, because AI agents for trading, I have this new, if we go to data, code to text million agent, AI agent, and let's go here and let's say I bet this can take all of it in there. Hey Moondev, have given up on bit tensors or has it taken a back seat? Did I miss anything? You didn't miss anything, dude. I was looking into it. But yeah, I kept it pushing, dude. I kept it pushing for now. I'll come back to it maybe. Maybe. I'm not entirely sure yet. I was kind of taken aback by you know, the instant shade I got in the Discord. So I was just like, I'm gonna take some time. I'll look into it again, but I never went deeper than that. It's crazy how that works, dude. crazy how that works. What I want to do here is try to see if this works with it. So I'm gonna move these here to private data for now. Technical doc. This is actually called, let's name this encyclopedia, a ton of strats. .py. Okay. So here we have this code that is gonna give us a ton of strats. Or it's not code, but it's encyclopedia of strategies. So I want to see if this, my agent that I built yesterday, we built this million agent yesterday, and it has connection to that knowledge base. Essentially, this is using Gemini here. And in Gemini, it has a million context windows. So you saw how big that paper was. It was an encyclopedia. Let's go to Chrome here. Neural network. You can see it's encyclopedia, 386 pages. Who knows how many tokens, but let's see if we can get it. List every single trading strategy you can find in your encyclopedia knowledge base. Moon, do you think 2% a day makes sense? You would be great. You would be great if you can do 2% a day, dude. Breakout models, moving averages, seasonal, neural networks, genetic algorithms, neural networks, seasonal. Also, give me a simple list. Give me a simple list just of all of the different approaches to the market based on your knowledge base. My AI said no. So you can see discretionary trading, system trading, trend following, counter trade, optimization, walk forward optimization, self adaptive, genetic algorithms. This is actually a great encyclopedia, dude. I'm going to save this one. This is a really good Arabic trader here. Oh, this is a book, dude. This is a McGraw-Hill, the Encyclopedia of Trading Strategies. Okay, this will make you aware of everything. Everything out there. And then it's really picking what you want to attack. Gemini loves PDF. Let's just try Gemini. Good idea. Good idea, dude. Thank you for the idea, dude. Encyclopedia. Okay, let's go to Gemini here. Gemini. Let's copy that because this is kind of a goated one here we found. Let's put some of these here, some of the good ones here. Encyclopedia of strats. Close. Let's go ahead and put in that PDF I just got. Please list out every single trading strategy that is listed in this PDF. Much easier, dude. That's what I'm asking if you got to this point at some point. Not consistently, not every single day, no way. Of course, days like that, sure, but nah. That would be 700+% per year. Maybe on tiny size, but not my size. It's unrealistic. Please note that the list is not exhaustive as the book may contain additional trading strategies. I don't need descriptions of them. I just want a list of every single one of them in the PDF. That's it, dude. Breakout models. Oh, because it's models. Moving averages models. I see, I see. Yes, but there's breakout models. I want you to explain every single one of the breakout models and all of the moving averages models, all the oscillator based entries, all the seasonalities, every single one of them that's mentioned in the paper. Nah, the notion's just for the challenge members. SMA exponential. Okay, sick, dude. Commonality, seasonality, core idea here. Cycle based entries, neural networks, core idea. Okay. Genetic algorithms, employ evolutionary algorithms. We've done that. Standard exert strategy, fixed stop and profit target, setting predetermined levels for exiting trades. Okay, dynamic stops, profit target, extendable time limit here, neural exit component. Yes, dude, this is fire. Okay, so let's go back to that paper here. And chapter 13, chapter 15. Okay, so genetic algorithms. It's awesome that they have this in here. Evolutionary algorithms, because we spent a lot of time on that. Neural networks here. Cycle-based entries here. Lunar and solar rhythms. That's interesting. Legitimacy or lunacy. Oh, goodness. Moving averages here. Purpose of the moving average. The issue of lag. Types of moving averages. Kinds of breakouts. Okay, so you can see here. Then we can type in futures trading strategy. So watch this. I'm just going to put a couple of these ideas here on this here. Momentum, trading strategies, algorithmic trading strategies. I'm in the boot camp. Did I miss it? Yeah, you should have access to it if you're in the boot camp, dude. I'll drop the link here in the Discord. If you're in the boot camp, you have access to the this that I'm building right here. This is not financial advice, of course. Of course, of course, of course. So let's go here to the members chat real quick. And I'll post the link in there now in case you missed it. All right. I just put the roadmap in the Discord, dude. So you're Gucci. Can see it there. Perfect.